No doubt that earning money from Google AdSense is the best source of income, so today I will tell you how you can earn money from two methods. From YouTube automation and from blogging, so that your earnings are not limited from only one source. Everything in this video will be done completely for free and on mobile, so that anyone can earn money online. Skipping the nonsense, take a look at what we will be creating today.
Once upon a time, deep in the big, blue ocean, there was a lost shipwreck filled with hidden treasures. Long ago, a mighty ship sailed the seas, carrying precious jewels and gold. But one stormy night, the ship vanished beneath the waves, taking its riches with it. For years, the treasure lay forgotten, until a brave explorer named Captain Jack set out on a daring adventure to find
This niche is named Deep Ocean Secrets, as we know only 5% of oceans are yet explored by the scientists, and we have no idea of what dangers and monsters that remaining 95% holds, and people are really interested in these types of videos. But first, let's talk about how you can make at least $5,000 from blogging every month. Lately, I have discovered this YouTube channel named Bullion Academy, and I found their content highly knowledgeable and informative. This guy is making thousands of dollars every month by blogging, and on his channel he teaches how you can also earn money through Google AdSense by doing blogging. He has shown live proof of his earnings, and there are free courses available on his channel. They have uploaded more than 200 videos, which are more than enough to make you a pro in blogging and earning direct. In your AdSense, they have received very positive response from the audience. Link to their channel will be in description. Don't forget to check it out. And I also got a surprise for you a few weeks back. I promised in one of my videos that after hitting 5,000 subscribers, I will provide V-Sub Premium account worth $100 to one of my subscribers for free. All you need to do is like this video and type hashtag ProvenTube in the comments section, and in the next video we will pick giveaway winner live from the comments of this video. No cheating, so make sure you are subscribed. Now getting back to our topic, guys. First, we need to get good enough scripts for our videos, and for that we need a tool like ChatGPT-4. But GPT-4 is a paid tool, right? Don't worry, I got a free alternative. Open Play Store and search for Sicey, then simply click on this app and download it. This AI chatbot is just like ChatGPT-4, but the best part, it's completely free and has no limit of how many chats you can do every day. I have been using this tool for a month now, and trust me, this tool is highly advanced. Now we will simply ask Cece to provide me interesting and highly engaging video topics in the form of titles on this niche, Undiscovered Sea Monsters. By doing this, Cece will provide us with engaging video topics. Now simply long press on the topic you like and then click on select text and simply copy up that video topic and just paste it down here. And then we will paste an additional prompt to get our script. All the prompts will be pinned in the comment section. Now the prompt is customizable if you want a long script. Simply replace short script with long script, that's it. Now you can see Cece has provided us with the script. Now just copy up this script and paste it in a notepad and do a little bit adjustments in the script, like removing the unwanted part from the start of the script, adding some additional sentences or changing some words. Then we will head back to CC, and for our last part in CC, we will paste another prompt for getting our images prompt, so that we don't have to waste extra time in writing the prompts by ourselves. And it will provide us with all the prompts. You see, if you do all this work by yourself, it will consume hours of your time. But with the help of Cece, it is done in seconds. Now copy up your script and paste it in VoiceMaker, and you can only paste in 250 characters in a go on free plan. So just generate your voiceover in parts, and don't forget to credit VoiceMaker in your description if you are using it for free. Then click on Change and simply choose a good voiceover for your video. And once you find a voiceover, then click on Submit, and then just click on Convert to Speech. And once the voiceover is ready, download it and repeat the same procedure for the remaining voiceover. Then for images, we will use Leonardo AI. Simply copy up your first image prompt and paste it in Leonardo. Then don't forget to write hyperrealism, realistic, highly detailed in 4K for high quality images. Then we will use Leonardo Phoenix image preset. Then simply select your image ratio. And finally, from additional settings, you can also change your image model or simply leave it to default and then just generate your images, guys. I must tell you, there are many free text-to-image tools out there that are even better than Leonardo, but what makes Leonardo so special is its free image-to-motion feature, which is only available in paid softwares, but in Leonardo it's free. So the images are ready. You see how good their quality is now to bring images to motion click. On image to motion icon, and it will then take some time and your images will be turned into motion. But I must tell you that don't animate every image, just animate those images that look good after animation, because I have seen that some images get worse after animating. So just generate the good ones and avoid animating images that include human figures in it. So our motion is also ready and you can see it is looking very amazing now. Simply download it. Now we will simply import everything in CapCut. You can use any editing app that you like. Then first, we will trim out the unwanted silent areas from the voiceover. It's a must step to keep a good pacing in the video, as it is crucial for audience engagement. And I must tell you that every big YouTuber edits their voiceover and removes all unwanted empty spaces so that viewer doesn't get even a tiny loophole to skip the video. Then all you need to do is listen to the voiceover and simply adjust the clips as per the scene. Just long press on the clip and drag it left or right to change its position. I really need you to do this step carefully, because if you accidentally place wrong clip and wrong location, your video is flopped. So you must accurately place the clips so that they completely sync with the voiceover. And when this part is done, you can take 1 minute. Rest and breath out a little bit, and then as our clips are already animated. So we will just add some cool transitions between our clips to make the video more engaging. Usually black fade animation gives a very calm vibe. But wait a second, there is this Leonardo watermark which I didn't notice. So to get rid of it, simply search for transform from below, and then just click on this option to crop the watermark from the clip, and then just zoom in. The clip using 2 fingers, and do the same with all the clips. And then to take your videos to next level, add a filter named Clear 2 on timeline. Don't worry, we will also turn our video into 4K later in the video. Now finally, we will add auto captions on our video. I have tried many premium tools, but none provides captions like CapCut. Simply go to text, and then click on auto captions. Then first choose a free pre-made template for your captions. Oh gosh, these templates are so damn good now. Just click on generate, and in few seconds our captions will be ready. And then just place your captions at a suitable location of the screen, and that's it. Our video is ready for background music. You can choose a copyright-free background music while uploading your music on YouTube. That's it, just export the video. Now guys, check out the quality difference between both videos. It's highly noticeable, with videos having 4K quality, chances of going viral increase dramatically. So to enhance our video quality, we will use Wink app. You can download it from Play Store. Now simply click on AI Repair, then click on Try Now, and select your video, and then just carefully increase these options, but don't increase every option, and it will automatically start processing your video. I must tell you that it can take up to 3 to 5 minutes to enhance the video. And here our video is also ready. Your video is now successfully converted into full 4K. Now simply click on save and your video will be saved. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out the video popping on the screen to make viral thumbnails for free in a few minutes using AI.